Hello students, hope you all are fine. I am Miss Nehali Topiwala, your EVS teacher, and today we are going to see a chapter number 4, Mangoes Round the Year in EVS for Standard 5th. So, what do you mean by mangoes round the year, student? Means you have seen. Recently we have seen the mango season, right? In the summer mangoes comes in the summer season. So, how these mangoes are, we can use these mangoes for the whole year. What things we can make out of mangoes for the whole year, and how it is useful, and how we can preserve and keep it. This all things we are going to see in this chapter. So let's move ahead with the chapter. Here is a chapter number 4, Mangoes Round the Year. So there are three students, they are talking between themselves like, wow, Aman's lunchbox has sweet puris. Hey, today Neetu has brought potato sabji. I have got bhindi. So there were three students like Neetu, Aman and Preeti. So they are talking among themselves like they have Neetu is saying that Aman has brought sweet puris. So Aman is saying that Neetu has brought potato sabji and Preeti has brought bhindi sabji. So what does the Aman says next? See, oh Neetu, I think your potato sabji is spoiled. Don't eat that, you may fall sick. Here you have some bhindi. So what that Aman is telling that Neetu, I think your potato sabji has spoiled. Spoiled means bigad gayi hai. So Preeti is saying, oh please then don't eat that. You take my bhindi sabji. So from this, how does the Aman came to know about that the potato sabji has got spoiled, students? Maybe because that when Neetu has opened her lunchbox, some smell has occurred from that potato sabji. Dirty smell, like if something gets spoiled and the smell comes, like that smell has came, and Aman has knew that the potato sabji has got spoiled. When you also at your home, when something gets spoiled, your mummy says that don't eat that, it has spoiled. उसमें से कोई अजीब स्मेल आने लगती है. Have you ever seen some food that has got spoiled? How did you know that it was spoiled? आपने आपके घर में कई बार ऐसे foods देखे होंगे जो that easily get spoiled. So how did you come that it has got spoiled? So with the smell of that food we come to know that it has got spoiled. Preeti told Neetu, do not eat the potato sabji. What would have happened if she had eaten it? If Neetu had eaten that potato sabji, then what would have happened? She might fall sick. उसको फूड पॉइजनिंग भी हो सकता था. हर स्टमक में गेट अपसेट, शी मे स्टार्ट वॉमिटिंग बिकॉज ऑफ दैट स्पॉइल्ड फूड इफ शी टेक्स इन टू हर स्टमक. ओके, सो राइट, look in your kitchen and write down names of food items that. So what, this is an activity based, students, that you have to look around in your kitchen and write the food items listed below. Can get spoiled in 2-3 days. जो चीज़ 2-3 दिन में ख़राब हो सकती है, जैसे कि we can say milk can get spoiled, bread can get spoiled easily, cooked rice can get spoiled easily. फिर देन kept for a week, एक वीक के लिए हम ऐसे कौन सी चीज़ें रख सकते हैं? तो we can keep many things, like we can keep for a week. So for a week we can keep like cake, potatoes, onion, some vegetables that we can keep in the fridge for a week. What not spoil till one would not spoil till 1 month. So till 1 month, what cannot spoil? Like flour, then राइस, रॉ राइस, कच्चा जो चावल होता है वो, या फिर कोई अनाज, शुगर, दिस ऑल थिंग्स वोंट गेट स्पॉइल्ड टिल 1 month. Now next question is, look at your friend list and discuss in the class. So you have to find out, okay, ask 2-3 of them in your family. Right now we are not having friend around us, so we can ask in our family members also and we can discuss with them. Will your list be the same in all season? What would change? Will your list be same in all seasons? In all the seasons you will be having the same list? No, it will change according to the season and as per the things that are kept for the month or a week or 2-3 days. When food gets spoiled in your house, what do you do with it? When food gets spoiled in our house, what we do? We throw it in the garbage. We don't eat it, okay? Or nor we give it to anyone, like for गरीब लोगों को भी नहीं देते, या फिर कोई हमारे घर में मेड्स आती है, सर्वेंट आते, वी डोंट गिव देम ऑल्सो, वी डायरेक्टली थ्रो इट इन द डस्टबिन. ओके, सो नाउ नेक्स्ट, BG returned the bread. Now there is a story right here. Story means in short some information is given, so we'll look at it. Aman's BG went to the market to buy bread. The shop was very crowded. The shopkeeper picked up a packet of bread and gave it to BG. She looked at it and returned it immediately. So what happened? Aman's BG means उसकी दादी या दादी मम्मी गई थी मार्केट में टू बाय अ ब्रेड. द शॉप वॉज वेरी क्राउडेड. क्राउडेड मीन्स भीड़ भाड़ से भरा हुआ था. द शॉपकीपर पिक्ड अप अ ब्रेड एंड ही गेव इट टू हिज BG and she looked it and she returned it immediately. Why she returned it immediately? So you can see the picture of the bread over here. Some greenish type dot you can see on it. So immediately after looking it, she returned it back. Why? Because the bread was got spoiled. Look at the picture of the bread packet here and guess why BG returned it. How did she find that the bread has got spoiled? So she returned it back because the bread has got spoiled. It had got some green velvet type on it. और वो वेलवेट टाइप ग्रीन जो होते हैं उसको फंगस बोलते हैं. फूग लग जाना, फूग. आपकी मम्मी के मुंह से आपने कई बार सुना होगा कि खाने पे फूग लग गई है. फूग मतलब फंगी. इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ बैक्टीरिया. ओके, सो इट वॉज देयर ऑन द ब्रेड एंड शी रिटर्नड इट immediately. Now find out. Look carefully at through 2-3 packets of food item. What can we know from that? From what is written on the packet? What can we know from what is written on the packet? So we have to check what is there on the packet. It is written like expiry date, manufacture date, best before, price, ingredients. All these things we need to check on the packet. When you buy anything from the market, what do you look for on the packet? When we buy from the market, we first check the expiry date, manufacture date, and how long it is going to last. Okay, we check the price also on it. So these are the basic things you need to check when you buy the food items from the market, whether it has got the expiry date or not. वो पहले चेक करना है. अगर एक्सपायर हो गया तो we would not take that food item or packet with us. Okay, we will return it back. Right, dear students? Now next topic is, how does food get spoiled? Now what do you think, how does it get spoiled? When whatever food it is, how it gets spoiled? So the whole class can do this experiment together. What you have to do is take a piece of bread or roti, sprinkle a few drops of water in it and put it in a box. What you have to do, you have to take a piece of bread or roti with whatever is available at your home, sprinkle some few drops of water on it, थोड़ा सा पानी का छिड़काव कीजिए and एक बॉक्स में उसको पैक करके रख दीजिए. Close the box. See the bread or roti every day until you find some change on it. What you have to do, you have to close the box and keep it aside, and then you have to see it the next day or every day to check whether what has happened, changes are there or not on it. And make this table on a chart paper and put it up in the classroom. Fill up the chart every day after discussing the changes. What you have to do, you have to make a chart regarding this and you have to put it in your class. So by touch you will see ब्रेड और रोटी कैसे हो जाती है. कभी कभी हम मम्मी हमारी सुबह की रोटी हमको शाम को भी देना तो वो क्या हो जाती है, थोड़ी सी कड़क हो जाती है. बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट सॉफ्ट, इट बिकम्स समटाइम्स हार्ड. In the same way, if you buy the bread from the market, you will see it will be fresh for one day, but the next day if you will see it will become hard. वो बासी हो जाता है खाना. Smell, sometimes if it is summer season then it will get very soon. Smell आने लगती है, ख़राब जल्दी से होने लगता है चीज़ें गर्मी के मौसम में. And if it is winter season तो sometimes it is there, smell will not come easily from it. देन कलर ऑल्सो गेट चेंज ऑफ इट. ओके, देखो यहाँ पे ब्रेड यू कैन सी कि आफ्टर यू कैन सी दैट उसके ऊपर ये वेलवेट जैसा फंगस दिख रहा है आपको. तो दैट बैक्टीरिया कम्स स्टार्टेड, वो फंगस आना उसके ऊपर स्टार्ट हो जाता है, फूग आना स्टार्ट हो जाता है इफ़ यू कीप इट फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. So what you have to do after discussing all these points and making the chart, find out the reason for these changes, from where did the fungus came on the bread. And next is different kind of food items spoil due to different reasons. Some food spoil soon, some stay good for long. List some seasons and conditions in which food gets spoiled quickly. As I told you, some food items are such that keeps longer period of time, some get spoiled easily, like in winter season the foods are not getting spoiled easily, and in summer season it will get spoiled easily due to the hot climate. Okay students, so next is given below are some food item and some simple methods by which this could be kept fresh for 1-2 days. Match the correct pairs. Now what you have to do, food items are given and methods how to preserve it for 1-2 days are given. So milk, what will you do with the milk? We will boil it, right? Boil नहीं करेंगे तो वो बिगड़ जाएगा. Cooked rice, what we have to do with the cooked rice over here? Keep it in a dry open place. Green coriander, wrap in a damp cloth. मतलब कि green coriander धनिया जो होता है उसको एक हम cloth में लपेट के रखेंगे तो it will be fresh for a long period of time. Onion and garlic, put in a bowl and keep the bowl in the container with some water. Onion and garlic, it should be kept in a dry open place, and cooked rice should be put in a bowl and kept the bowl container with some water so that cooked rice don't get spoiled easily. Okay students, so many such food items at your homes may be there. With you can take the help of your mother and find out the different reason for it to be kept fresh for 1 to 3 days. Okay.